Hi, Mata. Hope you are having a lovely weekend. Just a quick overview on what we wanted these slides to have. This is what we have from Axela, and we wanted to have the same approach. So the three images that we have shared with you with Victor, I think on Trello. So we want you to have to look at it and try to customize or tailor it to our platform. So the first slide is basically on the network functions. We want you to look at these network functions and be able to see what we can able to include. So what Axela is actually providing is they are recording external gateway addresses, the managed keys. We are going to replace this. There's content that I'm going to share with you. I think I'm going to share with you on after the end of the slide. What you can do on this diagram is that for the Avalanche, we can able to change this to start with Ethereum. So because I think Ethereum is one of the first platforms that are going to onboard. So we'll have Ethereum. We can have Solana, and we can also have Terra. I think we're focusing on most of the DeFi applications, so it makes sense to look at Ethereum, Solana, and also Terra. So for these three platforms, we can replace them with those three networks. That is Ethereum, the first one, then the second one, Solana, then the third one we can pick on Terra. Then after that, what Axel is having, they're having the read and write. Now in our case, we will remove this write. So we're going to remove this write operations because that is not what we're doing at the moment. Our blockchain will be basically performing the read operations. So even these read operations, you can just remove it because it doesn't make sense. In our case, we are going to fetch, so you can remove the second part and just indicate that whatever we are basically providing there is reading. Then we are having we're going to replace the Axela network with the analog network, or we can just mention analog. Then what we are actually providing is almost similar. The first one is consensus. We can add a threshold cryptography. So those are the two aspects that analog is actually providing. So they're mentioning multi-party computation, but multi-party computation is the same as threshold cryptography. So under this Axela, we can call it a box. We're going to change this to analog, and then let's have consensus, and then threshold cryptography. I think that's it for the first slide. I'll share with you the content that you're going to have on this particular slide. Thank you.